Welcome. I'm here with
Oh,
one of our amazing graduate mentees, Hunter. We wanted to go through our mentoring approach that we do here at Mentoring Young Adults and that Hunter truly has mastered. And Hunter, can you tell us a bit about the whole process from your perspective of our mentoring journey together?
it was actually my parents that found you. I was just kind of wandering through. I didn't really have much direction, and my time like spent with you has was really helpful in getting me back like on track and finding out what I wanted to do with my life.
Where were you in your life when we met, and what did it feel like having someone to be a mentor with you?
When we first started, I had a lot of therapists. I've been seeing a lot of therapists, um, and it never really got anywhere. It was just I would go into an office and spew my problems to someone and they would just say, "Oh, that sucks." Just not what I needed. I needed some guidance in how to navigate life. And so
Right.
when I first started seeing you, I was taking a break from school. I was studying to be an engineer and I just didn't have any motivation to do really anything. And I just didn't feel like I didn't have any path in life. And I was in, a pretty low spot. Being in this mentoring program really kind of saved me.
The beginning of our mentor mentee session, I said to you, you may not remember this. I had the spiel. I say, you're in charge of us. You walk every step of the path, you earn it. I'm just there to turn you around from the dead ends. How did that feel?
It was like nothing that I'd ever like felt before or been exposed to before. It was honestly, it was a little challenging, at first, to kind of get used to this new system because there was actually someone kind of holding me, I guess, accountable, for what was going on in my life.
We started with setting some goals that you wanted to work on, the challenges to those goals, and the first signposts of success. That was one of the very first things we did. How did that help you see this as something different? And how did that help you just in general?
When I started, I kind of told you things that, I was somewhat interested in, and we kind of went from there. So one of the first things that we started talking about was, I think it was computer programming. Another thing that I had been really involved with is farming. My family owns a farm. I, really wasn't in a position in life to end up taking over, I guess, the quote unquote family business. And you kind of, help set goals, get to a place where I am, and I am currently now like able to possibly, take over this like farming business that my parents have.
You mentioned the daily routine, which is where we focus on the goals, the day to day challenges, sleep wake routines, time management, organization. How was that helpful to you?
So whenever we first started, I was sleeping till, I don't know, 12 o'clock, every day.
Midnight.
I was at school at the time, but I just didn't have any motivation really to do anything. And so I would just get up, I'd eat something, nothing healthy by any means. And then I just play video games until it was time to go to sleep again. And that was kind of my life. And so the daily routine, write in a Google Doc when you'd wake up, like what time you woke up every day, like video game time, and then like when I had, because at the time I was starting back with like my HTML classes, how much time that I'd spend, studying versus doing things that, were not as productive. And so when you see them written out over the course of a week, you kind of see how much time, you're wasting, you actually get to see it. And so, and
It's
so that
true.
was very, very beneficial. It's I remember one of the most important things that we did right there at the beginning.
Whenever we talked about getting up, we call it the sleep wake routine. It was also knowing how to go to
Oh,
sleep
yes.
at a good time,
Hmm.
right? Not
Yes.
video gaming too late.
Yeah.
That was work. That was work, and you did it.
It really was. Yeah.
The next thing that we train our mentors that work with me and that I did with you is helping the parents become parent partners, to be involved through communication. We encourage them to communicate with us through emails and to reduce friction that may have been there when things are going off, which is when people come to us. And how was that helpful for you?
It was very helpful because it was something that I'd never really been exposed to my parents. I love them to death. They're very helicopter oriented kind of
Mm,
parents. Our meetings times and our Zoom calls together were really one of the first things that were solely mine. It was me and you, and then they were another part of it, but they were over on the outside, which was
nice.
something that was like very helpful for me
Oh,
also.
I'm glad. And how did it affect your relationship, mainly your mom? How did it affect your relationship with your mom?
It created a like solid boundary, that was needed. Well, 100% think that it has made our relationship actually stronger.
Next thing was academic and career support. You talked about the HTML course, which we investigated because you wanted to. Then we did more research. We did a Myers-Briggs. And we came down to it, realized you should be a farmer. That it's something, and I think that was a shock to you when we came to that this is what you should do, dude.
Mhm.
And you are, like, you're not just a farmer, you're a great farmer. How did our academic and career support help you with all that?
I had pretty like generalized social anxiety at the time, pretty severe, where I didn't really want to talk to really anybody out of my immediate circle. And so, like one thing that we started to do was we would just call people together. We'd write like a list of questions and stuff, and we would just call people on the phone. And I'd have a list right here in front of me, and you were always there to help. Just having like a generalized plan. Before trying to venture out in anything, because that's one of the biggest takeaways that I've had from our time together is a lot of my anxiety comes from just not knowing what's going on, or
Right.
the unknown.
The
And by
unknown.
making
Yeah.
like plans and stuff like that really benefits me.
The last part was graduating.
So it wasn't just one day like I was like, oh, I think I'm ready, to graduate. It was really kind of a slow, like, okay, we've gotten one like accomplished down. Now we're on to the next one. And I felt like, hey, I think I can operate on my own, for the first time ever, which was
Isn't that
a
amazing?
which was amazing. It really was amazing feeling.
Yeah.
And, you helped me a whole lot.
I'm glad that your mom brought you to this mentoring program. You are ready for it. And you shine, and you are shining, and you will continue to shine.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'd like you to share with parents who are listening to this, or any young adults who are kind of where you were, who are stuck, what you'd like to tell the parents and these young adults.
I think I'd seen close to 10 different therapists
Wow.
over since I was 14. And they were good at listening to the problem, like the problems that I was having. And one analogy, that I kind of came up with is it's like if you're in a hole and you're trying to get out of the hole, and there's someone at the top, trying to tell you, hey, like how to get out of the hole. Whereas my time with Ken was down in the hole with me, and we were climbing out, together. And so it's not the same as therapy. I feel like it's a lot more hands on. I've said this before, but at the time I just had no direction. I just didn't, I wasn't really going anywhere. I didn't feel like I had accomplished everything. I feel like I'd been left behind. I really just want to preface that if, you or someone that you love is feeling like that, this is a great place to be in order to get out of the hole. Mm-hmm.
Thank you. And Hunter, I just want to leave saying what a pleasure it was having you as my mentee. And I'm so proud of you and all your accomplishments. And I know they'll just keep building and building. I look forward to hearing about all these amazing things in your life. Thank you for sharing this with me and with the listeners.
You're welcome. Thank you, Ken.
My pleasure. And thank you for listening, guys.